Good morning, guys. As you can see, the concrete is going on the walls, and everything is looking amazing. We not finished the back room, but the back room they started yesterday, and today they're doing the second room. They did the bathroom, so they sprayed on with that bucket compressor, blow, himajiggy, whatever it is, and they are, after that they sprayed on, they're gonna go back over and they kind of smooth it in with a trowel, and so that's the first coat. So after they finish the whole house, they're gonna go back over and put like a second thick coat of concrete on there to keep everything in. But so far it's looking really good. I'm so happy that I bought all those extra materials, extra blow guns and the compressor and all this kind of stuff to make sure the construction goes smoothly. The week is done, and today is Friday. They are finished for the day, and they're going to be back on Monday. This wall here is complete because behind it is also complete. Process here is that they have the compressor, use compressed air to blow the concrete on the wall, and they go over it with a trowel and they smooth it over. The rain looks like it wants to fall, but I hope it stays in place. This is the hot and cold right here. This bathroom is not done because this wall here is not complete, but you can see the thickness of concrete on here. See the wire? That's what it looks right there. So they need to come out this much more of concrete on the wall. This room is not finished. It's just this wall here still needs to be completed. The same goes for this room too. Oops. Yep, it's not completely dry yet, but in a couple days this will be dried. Some holes and stuff in here, but this will all be covered up with a second coat of concrete. Alright guys, so that is the process. We are close to completion of the walls, and most of the concrete is on the walls, and it's getting there, but we are at a time crunch. The rainy season is here. Well, the rainy season is like fast approaching. It's maybe like another 2 or 3 weeks until we have full-blown rainy season. Now we have a heavy cloud cover, and it's been raining for the past few days here in San Jose. But I tell you what, looking at the progress of the walls and how things are looking, it's absolutely looking tremendous. But let me show you what it looks like, so you judge yourself. But guys, if you have not subscribed, if you haven't liked this video and subscribed, you're gonna miss all of what I gotta show you. I'm gonna have to show you all the walls that's going up, and we're gonna have to put in solar panels and a whole bunch of other stuff. But let me show you what we're doing. It's the end of the day, and those guys are cleaning up. So I'm in the master area right now. I think this is what I showed in the last video, but the concrete is sprayed on the walls. This is not final. Of course, we have a couple more things to do, but what I've been working on this week is basically a lot of the columns. They are casting the columns and making sure all of everything is in the right place, lining up things, and they're gonna be putting like 3 inches of concrete on the wall. This is in the garage here, and they still have this wall to be sprayed and that wall to be sprayed. and of course this wall to be sprayed too. They've been doing some work inside here. They basically had to run some new pipes for the laundry in here, and rerun some stuff where it needs to go. But that's in here. Let's go out in the hallway. You can see in the walls in the hallway, coming through the main door. They just have some rough concrete on the walls right now, but going back through here, you can see that, like this bedroom here, look at how this bedroom looks right now. This column has to be casted, but we have that column in the corner here, the center column, the T column, that's done, and that T column there is also done. Now, one of the things that I change in this here is because we're going to put a closet here, and when I decided not to put a closet here anymore, because they're going to put a wall out all this way, and it's going to block the main door, and it's going to make it more permanent, where I wanted like to put like a wooden closet. So if I gotta move it to this wall and move the bed from this wall to that wall, or the bed here, I don't want the closet to be a permanent thing. So that changed in all the rooms. And so coming out here, looking at the pantry. The pantry is they spray some stuff on the walls, and this is not fresh. Looked like it's been poured a couple of days ago. And one thing that we had to also do is that we had to cut the walls and put a column in there, and that column is going to be our load-bearing column. We also had to put a column in the floor right there, and this column initially we're gonna put the steps going up here, and it cannot connect to that column up there, because if we connect to that column right there, when we're going up the steps, we're going to hit our head. So we have to put a column right there, and that column is going to be connected to that column straight over that I showed you. So they're going to, up in the air, they're going to be a cross beam run straight over, which is like 18 inches in thickness, and one running from that wall going to that wall right there. So in the end, when you look overhead, it's going to look like a cross. All right, let's look into this room right here. In this room right here, we have all of the column casted, and we have, basically everything is looking really good, really good. And of course, we're gonna have to put in, these walls is not complete. We still have to put, as I said, these 4 more inches of concrete, 3 to 4 inches of concrete on each side of the wall to give it a thickness. So if you look at the thickness right now, it looks thick. It looks like the size of a regular cinder blocks, but when you think about it, we're gonna put a little bit more concrete outside and a little bit more concrete outside to give that wall that 12 inches of thickness.